Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Ayurveda channel. I am your Planet Ayurveda expert. Today we will discuss a very efficient and widely used herb, that is Haridra. Let's start. Haridra par mein hara naam, that means Haridra is widely used for control and treatment of diabetes. It is a golden drug of Ayurveda, therapeutic treasure that one commonly used in Indian kitchens. It is widely used in ritual and medicinal properties. It has great importance to prevent and control the disease diabetes. In different samhitas and Nighantus, Haridra is classified into different Mahakashayas, Ganas or Vargas. Now let's discuss its variety. In various Nighantus, Brihatri, Lagutri, it is mainly divided into four varieties. That is Haridra, Curcuma longa, and Amragandha or Karpur Haridra, that is Curcuma amada, Daru Haridra, that is Berberis aristata, and last one is one Haridra, that is Curcuma aromatica. Now we'll discuss classical synonyms of Haridra, that is Kanchani, has color of gold and provide gold color to the skin. Nisha, it is as beautiful as starry nights. Varvarnini, which imparts great color to skin. And Krimighani, that relieves worm and microbial infections. Pita, which provide yellow color to skin. Mehagani, that helps in preventing diabetes. Haridra, that improves skin colors, complexion and cleanses the skin. Yoshit Priya, because it is very liked by a woman. Now we'll discuss vernacular names of Haridra. In English, we called Haridra as turmeric. In Sanskrit, Haridra, Kanchani, Pita, Nisha, Varvarnini, Yoshit Priya, Hata, Vilasini, Lakshmi, or Gauri. In Hindi, it is known as Haldi or Haridra. In Telugu, it is known as Pasupa, Pasupa Komulu. In Tamil, it is known as Manjal. In Gujarati, it is known as Haldar. Now we'll discuss classical categorization of Haridra. According to Acharya Charak, it is divided into Kushtghana, the group of herbs that is used to treat skin problems. Krimighana, group of herbs that relieves microbial or worm infections. Vishghana, that relieves toxicity or eliminate toxins from the body. Lekhania, group of herbs that contain scrapping properties. Shirovirechana, group of herbs that is useful to remove dosha from the head region. According to Acharya Sushrut, it is divided into Haridradi, Mustadi, Shleshma, Sanshman groups. Now we'll discuss ancient verse of Haridra. Haridra Katuka Tikta, Rukshoshna Kaf Pitnut, Varnya Tvag Dosh, Mehastra Shoth Pandu Varnapaha. According to above shlok, Haridra contain bitter and pungent taste, dry, hot in potency, and helps in pacify kapha and pitta dosha. It provide complexion to skin, manage various skin disorder, diabetes, blood disorders, swelling, anemia, and helps in healing of wounds. Now we'll discuss morphology of Haridra. It is a perennial herbaceous plant that grows up to 1 meter in height. Roots or tuber. Roots stalk large, ovoid, sessile, tubers thick, cylindrical, bright yellow from inside. Leaves. Leaves are long, petiole, oblong, narrow at the base. Flowers. Dull yellow in the color and arranged in pair of 5. Leaves are alternate, smooth, green, tapering from both ends and arranged in pair of 2, further divided in leaf sheath, leaf blade and petiole. Flowering season of the plant is usually in the month of August. Now we'll discuss habitat of Haridra. Turmeric is mainly native to India, but it is also found in tropical region of Africa and also cultivated in China, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, Philippines, Malaysia, Madagascar, and Vietnam. Now we'll discuss scientific classification of Haridra. Kingdom of Haridra is Plantae, division Tracheophyta, subdivision is Spermatophytina, class is Magnoliopsida, order is Gingiberales, family is Gingiberaceae, its genus is Curcuma, and species is Longa. Let's discuss its pharmacological property. Rus or taste. Rus or taste of Haridra is bitter and pungent. Gun or physical properties of Haridra are rough and light. Its potency is hot, and the post-digestion effect or vipak is also pungent. Its effect on all the three doshas is that it helps in balance of all the three doshas. Now we'll discuss chemical constituents of Haridra. Haridra contain curcuminoids that contain curcumin, desmethoxycurcumin, and turmeric, and phytosterols. Curcumin. It has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, hypoglycemic, antioxidant, wound healing, and antimicrobial properties. Phytosterols. It has anti-diabetic, anti-atherosclerotic, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Desmethoxycurcumin. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-apoptotic, anti-hyperlipidemic, anti-obesity, anti-atherosclerotic, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. Turmeric. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer properties. Now we'll discuss properties of Haridra, that is Permehernum, because it is beneficial in the treatment of diabetes. Vishnut. It helps in removing toxic elements from the body. Kanduhar. It also helps in itching. Vranhar. Useful in wound healing. Vishodhini. It is a natural detoxifier. Krimihara. Relieves intestinal worms. Panduhar. It is very useful in the treatment of anemia. Pittarechak. Expels excessive pitta from the body. Aruchinashini. It is useful in anorexia. Now we'll discuss therapeutic properties of Haridra, that is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-diabetic, antimicrobial, hepatoprotective, nephroprotective, anticoagulant. Hypolipidemic, antiproliferative, analgesic, antiseptic, blood purifier, anti-arthritic, antifungal. Antiviral, immunity booster, improves digestion, antidepressive, carminative, anti-allergic, improve memory, decongestant, anti-tumor, bronchodilating, nervine tonic, and cardioprotective. Now we'll discuss effect of Haridra on different systems, on circulatory system. It is very useful in the treatment of blood disorder, allergy, anemia, bleeding. It is excellent medicine for the allergy management. On digestive system, because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can be used in healthy digestion management. On respiratory system, it helps in pacifying kapha dosha, so it is useful in cough, allergic rhinitis, and some other conditions of breathing. Now effect of Haridra on a reproductive system. It cleanses uterus and breast milk, that is Tanya Shodhak, and also indicated in Shukrameh. Now we'll discuss part use of Haridra, that is Kandh, also known as rhizomes. Doses of Haridra. Churn, that is powder of Haridra, can be used at a dose of 1 to 3 gram, and its juice or swaras can be used at a dose of 10 to 20 ml. Now we'll discuss special classical formulation of Haridra, that is Haridra Khand. Now we'll discuss some home remedies of Haridra in different disorder management. In diabetes, Take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it in 100 ml of amla juice. Have it once a day, 2 hours after meal. Continue this for 1 to 2 months for proper and better results. In high cholesterol, take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and boil it in 20 to 40 ml of water. Add 2 teaspoon of honey in it and mix it well. Drink 2 teaspoon of this mixture twice a day after meal for better results. In osteoarthritis, take 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, add half teaspoon of amla powder and nagarmotha powder and boil it in 20 to 40 ml of water. Add 2 teaspoon of honey and mix it in well. Have 2 teaspoon of this mixture twice daily after meals. In allergic rhinitis, take a pinch of turmeric powder or add it into 1 cup of hot milk. Have it in empty stomach in the morning. In body ache, take half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it in half teaspoon of cow ghee or 1 cup of hot milk. Have it once a day. In skin problems, take 1 to 2 teaspoon of haridra churn, mix it into lukewarm water and make paste. Apply it to affected area. Now we'll discuss effect of haridra in cancer. The curcumin present in haridra or turmeric has anti-cancer and anti-proliferative properties which cause cancer cells death and prevent the spread of cancer cells respectively. Curcumin also have anti-inflammatory properties which helps in development of tumor in colorectal region. Now we'll discuss effect of haridra in diabetes management. Diabetes, also known as madhumeha, is due to an aggravation of vata and impaired digestion. Impaired digestion lead to formation of endotoxin or accumulation of ama dosha in pancreatic cells. Due to this, it impairs functions of insulin. Turmeric helps remove ama or endotoxins and control aggravation of vata dosha due to its appetizer or deepen and digestive or pachan properties. Thus, it helps in control of high blood sugar levels. Now, effect of haridra in cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is due to imbalance of digestive fire or pachak agni. Impaired digestion at tissue levels produce excess waste product or ama that we call endotoxins. This causes accumulation of bad cholesterol. Turmeric helps in controlling high cholesterol by reducing endotoxin production due to its deepen and pachan properties. It also helps in removing blockage from the blood vessels by eliminating toxins. Thus, it helps in reducing high cholesterol. Now we'll discuss haridra's effect in osteoarthritis. Turmeric is one of the famous herbs for reducing any type of pain in the body. According to Ayurveda, osteoarthritis occurs due to aggravation of vata dosha and is also known as sandhivat. It causes pain, swelling, and joint immobility. Turmeric gives relief from the symptoms of osteoarthritis due to its vata balancing properties. Now we will discuss Planet Ayurveda products that contains haridra. These are haridra powder, boswellia curcumin, curcumin capsules, curcumin 95% capsule, crab curcumin 95%, premium ultra pure curcumin 95% capsules. Thank you. I hope you all like this information about haridra. If you have any query regarding home remedies or anything, you can directly mail us on herbalremedies123@yahoo.com. Thank you.
लिवर, किडनी, लंग्स, स्किन, दिल, पेट, घुटने, सिर, पैर या बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट से जुड़ी हो कोई भी समस्या अभी कॉल या व्हाट्सएप करें और घर बैठे समाधान पाएं 6209 123456 पर। हाँ जी, अब सब बीमारियों का इलाज है बहुत आसान। आपकी सेहत से जुड़ी हर समस्या का समाधान मिल रहा है घर बैठे। अब आप दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से टॉप प्लैनेट आयुर्वेदा एक्सपर्ट से ऑनलाइन बात करें, परामर्श लें और दवा की भी करवाएं होम डिलीवरी। हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कोई भी हो, सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक, www.planetayurveda.com। पूरे प्लैनेट की सेहत का नंबर 1 साथी।